Welcome back to Product Critique, the ultimate destination for no-nonsense, clear-cut reviews on Amazon's top-rated home products. Today's spotlight is on what we're calling the best artificial plants for home office decoration. The Coferset 2-pack Fall Eucalyptus Potted Artificial Plants in Fall Orange, Large. Let's dive right in. At first glance, the vibrant autumnal color of these faux eucalyptus plants stands out. They come in a set of 2 and are each about 14 inches tall and roughly 10.5 inches wide, giving you a generous size without overwhelming your space. Whether you're styling a shelf, a work desk, a coffee table, or even your bathroom, these plants deliver a full-bodied visual impact that feels intentional and cozy. Now, what makes them special isn't just the look, but the thoughtful construction. The leaves are made from high-quality, environmentally friendly plastic. They don't have that shiny, obviously fake appearance. Instead, they give off a realistic texture and color gradient that mimics natural eucalyptus, especially with that deep burnt orange hue that screams fall without going over the top. Each plant comes in a lightweight gray paper pulp pot, minimalist, neutral, and easy to blend with just about any decor. Keep in mind though, because the pots are made of paper pulp, you don't want to get them wet. They're strictly for dry surfaces, indoors only. What we love about this product is that it's completely maintenance-free. There's no watering, trimming, or fussing with light. Just place it where you need a touch of seasonal color and you're done. You can fan out the stems and leaves manually when you first unbox them to create that fuller, more natural shape. They're wired inside, so shaping them is easy and they stay exactly how you position them. Let's talk use cases. If you're someone who loves decorating but doesn't have time or energy to maintain real plants, this is the ideal substitute. They're perfect for office setups where you want a pop of warmth and life without needing sunlight or soil. Or maybe you're trying to soften a modern, minimal room with a little texture and seasonal personality. These fit the bill perfectly. Even as centerpieces, these are a win. Pair them with a few candles or rustic trays, and you've got an autumn vignette ready in minutes. They also work beautifully in guest bathrooms, entryway tables, or open shelves where you want dimension and color. While they're labeled as fall decor, the styling is subtle enough that you could leave them out year-round, especially if your home leans into earthy tones. To wrap up, the Coferset 2-pack Fall Eucalyptus artificial plants are a high-quality, visually satisfying, and incredibly easy way to decorate any space with seasonal charm. They strike a rare balance, bold enough to notice, but neutral enough to blend. No water, no sunlight, no problem. If you're looking to elevate your space effortlessly, this might just be your next great Amazon find. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Hit that like button if this helped you decide, and subscribe for more real-world reviews that skip the fluff and get straight to what matters. See you in the next one.